Well, let's get our personal finance corner then. Sumit Ved of Freedom Financial Planners now joins in. Sumit, hi, afternoon. We just got an SMS from Sumit Rajagopal. He has sent an SMS from Bangalore. He says he can invest 5,000 rupees a month for 4 months and thereafter 7,000 a month. He's already paying home loan EMI of 21,000 per month with 11 years remaining. How should he utilize the balance fund?
Good afternoon. Any such query which comes in terms of I have surplus of money, I should be investing it somewhere, the first and foremost advice which we have for them is that try and articulate your goals, because without goals it's become very difficult to really know what is your objective of saving or what are you trying to achieve in terms of investment. So that'll be the advice here. You should have a goal which is slightly long term in nature. In this case, because goal has not been mentioned, so we're assuming if let's say there's a retirement goal over a period of next 10 years, and once you get the goal and the duration right for that planning, then you can articulate an asset allocation. So for any goal which is above 6-7 years, which is long-term duration, you can have an asset allocation suggested at 80% equity and 20% fixed income, which further gets divided into large cap and mid cap equity out of 80% and fixed income in the dynamic bond fund. So the allocation advice for this particular query will be you try and look at 80% in equity funds like Prudential, ICICI Prudential Discovery, ICICI Prudential Dynamic Fund, HDFC Equity, DSP BlackRock Equity, and on the fixed income side, Birla Sun Life Dynamic Fund and ICICI Prudential Dynamic Debt Fund. So these will be good allocation for them to start off with, but do remember goals is very important, especially in a volatile market. If you want to persist, if you don't want to get worried about what's happening to your investment and keep taking your money out every 6 months, have a goal, because that'll help you to really stay long.
Alright, Sumit, thanks so much for addressing our SMS. Still at that 59.77 mark on the Nifty. Sensex has dipped into the red. Volume's pretty high at that 1.6 lakh crore. Here's where we wrap on this edition of Markets and Macros from the entire team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Business Lunch comes up next.